Hi, my name is Sheron and I'm from the University of Hong Kong. I'm working in the Assemblyman's Ron Kim's office and it's really enjoyable because you get to talk to constituents every day.
Hi, this is Carol from Chinese University of Hong Kong. I'm very glad to be working in Ron Kim's office as I can gain insights of doing legal research.
Hi everyone, this is Stella from the University of Hong Kong. I'm a politics and law student. I enjoy assisting legal research and doing preparatory work for the drafting of bills, and I also like to help our constituents to solve their urgent problems. It is very rewarding and very meaningful to work in here at Ron Kim's office.
Ron Kim is awesome!
Ron Kim is your voice in Albany.
Ron Kim is influential.